All right, I am going to metal detect anywhere there is open ground out here in the backyard, around up in here, up around the front yard, the foundation up there, and out here in the front yard and over on the other side of the house. And we're gonna see what we find. So stay tuned and check out my video when I post it.